Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing very good. I am doing very good and I'm so happy today to actually share a favorite video of mine, which is a cooking video obviously, and today it's gonna be my mom's recipe. So my mom is gonna be making mutton and I asked and requested her to share the recipe because I personally love the curry so much. It is super easy, very simple to make, but yet the taste that it brings in is amazing and delicious. Even the thought of the curry actually makes me go crazy. So I decided to share it with you guys as well, because if you are someone who's interested in cooking or want to learn a new recipe, then this is definitely something that you should definitely try out. And yeah, I remember even sharing this food with my friends early on, and they personally enjoyed as well. So I'm sure that you guys are also going to enjoy it out. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy today's video, and please do try out the recipe if you're a non-vegetarian. And if you try out, please do let me know in the comment section below. I would be really happy to know that if you liked the recipe or not. And yeah, enough of talking, let's start with the video. So we're going to be starting by cleaning and washing the mutton really well, and then we'll be doing the marination. For the marination, we're going to be starting with some ginger garlic paste, some turmeric powder, some salt, and some dahi, and we are going to be mixing all of this together to ensure that the marination sits in the mutton really well, and we're going to be leaving this marinated mutton for at least half an hour. Now, what is the next procedure?
We will roast coriander powder and chili powder and add it to the marinated mutton.
Okay, so let's start with the procedure
Yeah.
then. Now to roast the coriander powder, we're going to be heating up the vessel really well, and then we're going to be adding some coriander powder. Approximately 2 to 3 teaspoons of coriander powder would be enough, and then we're going to be mixing it really well. After that, we're going to be adding some chili powder, and then we're going to be mixing it again all together until the color changes of the masalas. We're going to be roasting them really well. This is dry roasting, by the way. And then we're also going to be adding some spices around, and once the color is changed, we're going to be adding this masala to the marinated mutton, and then we're going to be mixing it again all together. Be very careful while mixing it because the masala would be very hot. Now, after mixing all of this masalas together, again, we're going to be keeping this aside for almost 15 to 20 minutes so that the masala gets soaked in the mutton really well. And then we're going to be adding some oil into the same vessel, and then here I am shocked with the amount of oil that is being used in the vessel. And now we're going to be adding some cumin seeds or jeera into this hot oil, and once it gets fried in, we're going to be adding some onions. The onions are sliced into very thin pieces, and we will be mixing all of this together. And we'll also be adding some ginger garlic paste and curry leaves, and once the color of the onion changes, we're going to be adding the meat masala. This meat masala is from Lucky. This masala is actually very good. Okay, Amma, what is the next procedure now?
Now we'll add this mutton and just roast in that masala.
It smells delicious.
How do you know it's delicious? By the smell?
So. The smell is very good.
Anyhow, I'm making. So it will be nice. I don't have this tamjham cooking. इसका कलर चेंज होने तक हम थोड़ी देर रोस्ट करेंगे.
Okay. So उसके बाद we will put it for the whistle, no?
Yeah, we have to add water. I might add one more packet of masala because mutton is more and masala should not be less.
Okay.
Then we'll add water.
How much kg mutton is this?
This is around 1.5 kilos.
Okay. And it would be good enough for how many people?
6 people.
Now we're going to start by adding some water into the mutton curry in order to ensure that the gravy is really good, and we are going to be mixing it all really well, and then we'll be closing the lid.
Now 4 whistles. Not on high flame, medium flame.
Okay. 4 is enough?
Yeah, medium flame.
So this is my lunch with 2 rotis
and this is mutton curry and binge watching some old movie. Now, time for some taste testing. I started with having one bite of the mutton, which was cooked really, really well. And then I decided to have it with roti to see how it tastes actually. And trust me, it tastes very, very good. That was it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. As I mentioned, it is very, very easy, very, very simple, no complicated ingredients, something that is readily available. And yes, I will also be mentioning all of the amount and quantities in the description box as well, so that you don't have any other confusion. And if you have any other confusion, you can definitely let us know in the comment section below. I would be really, really happy to help you guys. And yeah, do check out this recipe, do try out this recipe, because it is very, very good, and I'm sure that you'll have a great, great, great time making and having it as well. And if you would like more such videos or recipes, please do let me know in the comment section below. I would be really happy to make more videos like these. And yeah, that was it. If you like this video, you know the drill. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, and I do make a lot of interesting reels over there as well. And yeah, I will see you very, very soon. Till then, bye bye.